With less effort, make more. Welcome to G Culture pattern. Today I will be making a corset pattern, so let's get started. Cut 2 pieces of this pattern and the remaining these 2 pieces will cut on fold. As you can see, I have already cut it all the patterns. Now stitch the pieces together. Let me tell you that here I have used 3 different types of fabric. One net fabric, which is optional, second the main fabric, which is rayon, and third is the lining. Repeat same steps for the main fabric and lining too. Net fabric is totally optional. It depends on you. If you don't want to use net fabric, skip that and just focus on the main fabric and the lining. Iron the stitches of the main fabric like this. So here I am using polyester boning and I have already attached my net fabric on the main fabric. Leave 0.5 inches gap for sewing from both sides and cut the boning. Attach all the boning like this. So here I am done with boning. Now moving on to lining. Sew the lining shape to shape by keeping right side of the fabric on right, except the top strap opening and the bottom. Notch the fabric like this and turn the fabric right side out like this. Top stitching all the seams. Now take a fabric strip of around 1.5 inches of width and just finish the bottom part. Leave a little bit extra fabric in the start and sew. Top stitch it. To do right now is attach the straps to the back part, make some space leaving 0.25 inches and open the seams. Put the straps in that around 0.5 inches deep and top stitch it. Now make a lace for back. Here I have taken 48 inches long strip of fabric, somewhat around 1 inches width. Here I am just finishing the edges of straps. I have attached the grommets. Our corset is already done. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you want to make a corset pattern hassle free and early, so do check out our Etsy shops. I will leave a link in the description.